Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Bumble without paying. So here we're on the Bumble website, which is bumble.com, and we're going to click on sign in. When you get to this page, you have the quick sign in method. You could use either this or continue with other methods. Click on continue with other methods, and you have the option to continue with Apple or use your phone number. We're going to choose continue with Apple, put in our Apple login and the password to proceed. After putting in our Apple details, we'll be taken to this page. Now here, you'll need to upload your photo. We have the option to drag and drop photos, so we're going to do just that. And after you've added your photos, we're going to go ahead and click on continue, click on allow location access, and then put in your location. This will help you to show people nearby. Then click agree to proceed. Then right here, you'll need to choose the mode to get started. If you choose date, this will help you to find the spark in an empowered community. If you choose BFF, you're just trying to make new friends at every stage of your life. So we're going to choose BFF, and here you can discover new people. You can press on X if you'd like to pass, or press on the like button to show you like it. After that, you also have the option to go back to see the previous person. And then, of course, you could scroll down to see more details about this person, such as their location and more. Now, right here at the top left area, you can see filters. We can click on filters, and then you can select the ages of the people you'd like to have as options in your view. It's currently set at 26 to 36. You can adjust it as you want. Click on apply, and that's going to load it again. Now we could go over to our profile icon on the left side, and then you have some options right here. You can see your photo details, preview your profile information, about me, my location and education, the basics, and linked accounts. You can go through all of these in order to enhance your profile. Under settings, if you'd like to change the connection type from BFF, from just making friends, to actually finding a date, you can switch it to date and click on continue with date. Then of course, if you don't want to show your modes, you could also snooze the mode by toggling this on for a period of time. This could be for 24 hours, 72 hours, a week, or until you change it. You can choose until I change it, press an OK, and then here it says, why not start with a week? Of course, let's go ahead with the suggestion and press OK and choose any of the options that applies to you. Great. Here it says you are invisible for another 7 days and you set away status to I'm focused on work. So this is a setting you can take according to your needs. Of course, as we scroll down, there are other settings that we could use. And then going back, you can see snooze mood activated. It's a mood. Your profile will be hidden for another 7 days. If you want to turn it off, you can click and turn off snooze mood. And it says, let's get bumbling. Then here we're going to choose who you're interested in. And here you have a reminder stating that ladies make the first move. So of course, after reading this, you can say sounds good. Click on it, and you have some other options you could read through. If you don't like it, or if you like it, remember you can click on pass or on the like button. Of course, if you click in your profile, you can see upgrade to Bumble Boost or upgrade to Bumble Premium. But so far, you can see that we've been able to use Bumble without paying. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.